Welcome. In this video, we'll provide you instructions on how to make a personal income tax estimate payment using WebPay. The first step is to navigate to Franchise Tax Board's website at www.ftb.ca.gov. From the Franchise Tax Board landing page, on the top navigation ribbon, select the Pay link. On the Pay page, on the Make a Payment section, select the Bank Account button. On the Pay by Bank Account page, WebPay, click on the Use WebPay Personal button. You'll arrive at the Login for Individuals page. In the Input field, enter your 9-digit Social Security number with no spaces or dashes. In the next field, enter your last name. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Name and Address Information page. In the input fields, enter your first name, middle initial if applicable, and last name, and your address, including any apartment or suite number, city, state, and zip code. Then click Continue. You'll arrive at the Payment Type page. Select Estimated Tax Payment radio button and click Continue. On the Payment Information page, select the tax year for which the payment will be made. You will then need to specify whether the estimated tax payment will be a joint payment. Then click Add an Estimated Tax Payment. Now enter the payment details. The amount must be in whole dollars, and the payment date must be today's date or a future date that does not exceed a year. Click Continue. You may schedule up to 4 estimated tax payments per session, allowing you to schedule future quarterly estimate payments for the entire tax year. When done entering the estimated tax payment, click Continue. Enter your routing number and account number. After you re-enter your account number, select whether it is a checking or savings account, and then click Continue. You'll arrive at the Review Your Request page. Take a moment to verify all your information is correct. You'll also have the option to enter your telephone number. If you would like an email confirmation that your payment request has been received, please enter your email address in the Email Address field. Please re-enter your email address. To complete your request, check the Payment Authorization box. Finally, you'll see the Payment Scheduled page, which includes your payment information. Remember, this indicates your payment request but does not serve as proof of payment. Payments typically process within 2 business days. Thank you for watching How to Make a Personal Income Tax Estimate Payment using WebPay. For more information and assistance, visit ftb.ca.gov.